Okay, this is the one of the other Picks-Arrow-Schlage locks from West Coast Picks. It does work. So let's put it in the vise and open this hard one up now. We already opened the easy one up. And let's try not to drop any pins on this one. But it does have a Schlage keyway. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway. And let's try this pick. Let's start at the front. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, see if we can get under pin 4. Okay, let's try a different pick temporarily. Okay, it's pin 4. Okay, let's go back to our other pick now. Start at the front. Okay, there's pin 5, or maybe it's pin 6. Okay, I think it was pin 6. Let's go to the front. Okay, we're getting some feedback on pin 1. Okay, pin 1. Some more on pin 1, pin 2, some more on pin 1. Touched it, brought my pick back and touched it, and it turned a little bit more. Okay, it's open on pin 1. Okay, that lock was a little bit tougher than the last one. Wasn't too bad, but it was still a little bit tougher lock. So, let's see what kind of pins we have in this lock compared to the last lock that we picked for West Coast Picks. Alright, let's see. Let's get the clip off. And let's go ahead and shim this one, if we can. Okay, I think that's got it. Back up just a little. Okay, let's run our follower through now. Hope we can. Alright, that worked out great. Didn't lose any pins out of the plug this time. Okay, all pins are in and working. Okay, number 1 is serrated. Number 2 is kind of a upside down serrated T-pin, whatever you want to call it. Number 3 looks like a standard pin. Number 4 is serrated. Number 5 is another serrated pin. Number 6 is also a like a spool key pin. Let's take a look at the plug a little bit closer. Okay, 1, 2, 5, and 6 are threaded. The 2 center ones are not even touched, so it's still factory. So we got 4 threaded ones. And it doesn't look like he has been into this lock, so let's See if we can get these top pins out now. Okay, that's not in the way, so we'll just leave it there. Okay, that's another, looks like another pin and pin on number 1, and we just dropped it. Okay, back it up a little. And we'll look for that in a minute. I think we lost the part that goes inside of it when it popped out of place. We'll look for it in just a moment. Okay, this is another pin and pin. Another pin and pin. Okay, there's one pin is stuck in number 4. Let's turn this around. Okay, there's another pin stuck in okay, there it come loose. That looks like some type of spool in number 6. Well, that's a weird type of spool. Okay, number 5 is another pin and pin. Okay, that one popped out then. Okay, I don't really see any threading in this plug, but you can tell that 2, 3, and 4 are very short, weak springs. Also, number 6 is kind of a weak spring. See if we can dump these springs out. Okay, we'll take a close look at the springs right quick. He has some short springs in, so let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, here's the other part of this pin. Alright, let's take a close look at these pins now. This is a pin and pin. This is another pin and pin. This is spool. This is kind of like a spool and serration. This is another pin and pin, I believe, sticking out here. Well, that's just the way it's made. I don't think that's a pin and pin. Nope, that's not a pin and pin. Got a serrated pin, standard pin. On number 4, 5, and 6, we have a standard pin on top, a serrated spool type key pin, serrated key pin, another spool key pin, a short one. This is another supposed to be a pin and pin, I think. Yep, it's pin and pin, but it's inner pin portion of it is kind of stuck upward. This is a homemade type spool with a serration on the bottom. Okay, I appreciate you watching. Thank you for this lock, West Coast Picks. Appreciate it. Everyone, please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.